हमारी जिम्मेदारी. What does a farmer look in his crop? 100% in, 80% or 90%? What does he want? Do you know how much is the tomato yield per acre?
Not 100% Aditya, I think 60%.
No, sometimes it's only 20% per acre.
Oh, 20%.
Take example of tomato. There are many problems that farmer faces. It is difficult for a farmer to monitor each and every crop of his field. It consumes lot of time. There might be a chance of occurring human errors in detecting disease plant, and the requirement of labor also increases, which leads to high labor costs, and availability of technical tools also causes problem in farming for farmers. How to segregate good crops from diseased ones, which are so closely packed. Approximately 12 to 15%, as much as 30% of typical crops are harmed by several diseases. Hello all, we the team Lithuania consisting of 4 undergraduate students. I, Anita Nikam, I will be handling database and cloud services.
I, Aditya Dile, passionate of computer vision.
I, Abhishek Kavle, handling machine learning and deep learning models.
I, Rajat Deve, I will be handling IoT and hardware. We have interacted with local farmers and our team has developed an innovative solution which will be detection model and a soil testing hardware that separates healthy plants from diseased ones. Initially, the farm video will be captured by the drone or any hardware device with camera, and the readings of the soil will be uploaded on our website. After a short while, the farmer will receive the report displaying the percentage of disease and healthy crops in his farm, including the types of diseases and remedies to cure them.
We will be using Python as a base language, while OpenCV will be used to identify objects. Machine learning and deep learning techniques for image processing. IoT models are constructed using C++ language, assembling camera and sensor on the drone. Real-time database and cloud hosting are provided by MongoDB and AWS. Many drones have been just used for applying fertilizers and chemicals, but currently there is no model that distinguishes crops based on the disease crop.
If the farmer wants to do testing on his farm, he can scan his field, then he can directly upload his farm video and get the report. Till now, we got 90% of accuracy, and we have used the best algorithms such as YOLOv5 with an accuracy faster as compared to the CNN algorithm. Our model can predict disease through video as well as images. It is useful while dealing with delicate and sensitive plants.
For customers, we are specifically targeting Indian farmers between age group of 20 to 45, owners of agriculture machineries, small company owners. Further, we will make product available for government organizations and consumers who can afford to buy our product. Overall, we all are targeting regions where agriculture will be practiced more.
Existing models are compatible to single hardware only. Our model is compatible to every hardware with a camera, example drone, mobile phone, etc. Our model is not restricted to detect single disease. It can detect maximum types of disease and damages the plant is suffering from. And we will be using sensors for soil quality analysis and testing. And for barrier entry, the product will be patent granted and periodic software updates will be made.
Our business approach is subscription based and direct sell. Initially, the model will be rented for a period of a time. The charges will be depending on the area of the field, data storage required, operator cost and subscription charges. Direct sale will be made by placing an order on our website, phone calls, email. Approximate costing of a drone with camera is 40,000, installation charges 5,000, subscription charges 550 per acre, operator cost 850. Further, we will be scaling our product in which the drone will spray suitable pesticide for a particular disease, and the soil testing will be done in detail.
These upcoming 4 to 6 months, we have been contacting farmers, neighborhood and family members who are involved in agriculture activity with the target of selling 12 to 15 models. In the following 10 to 14 months, we try to connect with private companies, distributors, government bodies and the owners of agriculture equipment and selling over 200 models. We will continue to scale to the Maharashtra main cities and then reaching all over India.